I'm hungry. All right, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing the garlic sauce 2.0. So I've already set everything up. The last video that we made with the garlic sauce, there was only three ingredients. There was the potato, the mayonnaise, and the garlic. So in this one, we're going to make it actually tastier than the last one. It's going to have a little bit more calories, but it will be tastier. So today I'm going to be using two potatoes. I have a little bit of mustard in here, so it's a low-fat mustard. I had some leftover, so I just put it in there. I still have some right here. I've already mixed the garlic with two lemons. Okay, so this is about 3 cloves of garlic. So there's a lot of garlic here, and 2 lemons that I squeezed in here. The reason I have so much is because I'm going to make a lot because I really love this sauce. It's really good on the chicken. And yeah, so that's why we're doing it this way. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to add some olive oil. So it's going to be 1 tablespoon. Okay. We're going to mix it in here. All right, we're just going to let this sit for a bit. It looks like I missed one garlic here. That's okay. All right. So I'm using 0% Greek yogurt, just plain, just to give it that more creamier type of setup, and it takes away from the taste of the mayonnaise as well, and yeah, it gives it a better color as well. So we're just gonna put half of it in there. All right, and then we can just add as we go along. Same thing with the mayonnaise, and we're just gonna pour this in here. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to mash it. And then as we're going along, we're going to add as necessary, okay? So potatoes. And I forgot to mention that the potatoes were boiled overnight, okay? So they are ready to go. There's going to be a lot in here as well. So. And there you go. This is the garlic sauce 2.0. Bon appetit.